So here is how to get free gift on Temu Malaysia. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So on the Temu website, just go over to the language section and click on change country or region. And here on country or region, just use the search bar to search for Malaysia. Then click on the option. After that, click on Switch to Malaysia. Your Temu website will then be switched to the Malaysian version. After that, just head on over to the home page and type in my code ACR697477 on the search bar. You will then see this pop up showing that you will get a 500 RM coupon bundle. Just scan this QR code using your phone app. Then you can just browse through the website and look for any product that you want. For example, this one. Then click on Add to Cart. After that, let's go over to Go to Cart on the right side. Once you're here on this page, just click on the checkout option and you will notice that we need to reach the minimum order limit before we can confirm. So let's go ahead and add some more items to fulfill the requirement. Then click on Continue to Checkout. After that, on the coupon section, put in the code again and click on Apply, which will add an additional discount to your order. So once everything is confirmed, just go ahead and click on Submit Order. And that's it. That is exactly how to get free gift on Temu Malaysia.